everybody who watches our videos. And today we're going to be making, drum roll please, Speedy Bolognese. I have to say it in that accent, you know? It's like Italian. No. Okay, so moving on, what you're going to need is 3 or something carrots. 2 to 3, that's what I like to use. And you're also going to need some celery, because those are the ingredients used in bolognese. It's just Speedy Bolognese is my homemade recipe because of bolognese. Because bolognese takes hours. This is supposed to be quite a quick recipe, and I do not use a microwave. It's not that type of quick. So what you're going to want off to start doing is get some celery and just chop it into pieces like this. Now I won't bore you. How do you say this? Like, I sound like a wizard now. Bore you. Just me chopping up all of this right now. It's just, you know how you want to chop it up. Like, roughly pieces like that. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab a carrot and you're just going to want to go. I hate awkward silences on my videos. They're just so awkward. But, okay, so after you've finished peeling your dinner carrot, you're going to want to just, for example, I got my carrot here, and chop off the ends, like that. And you're just going to want to chop it into sort of circles. 3 of them I got for you. Very good, very good. When the food comes, they've already finished because the chef ate it all. No, so see you when it's all chopped up. Teleported. I know, I did say I was a wizard, remember? Back in the video. So I'm over here with all my carrot and celery chopped up. Perfectly nice circles. Well done, Patchy. You've earned yourself a carrot. So what I'm going to do is I'll make sure that my pan is heated with lots of olive oil. Well, yes, because I do like olive oil. And just chuck it in there, using the back of the knife to scrape, just as. I think that's how the better way to scrape instead of like that. It's sizzling at the moment, just make sure that is all in. And then I'm going to get this amazing spatula. Dodd definitely didn't just pass me because it's kind of hard to reach. And just make sure it's all spread it out. That should be good for now. I'm going to just leave it like that. And now, I'm going to do the pasta drop. I'm rubbish at the pasta drop. Okay? So don't judge me. So I think you twist it like that. Right? Yeah. I got this. That's good! Yeah! I think that's good! Okay, so I think you just push it in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. My skill ends at this level of pushing the pasta in. So, oh, it's going in. I'm gonna name and bury all these pieces of pasta, and they're eventually going in. So, I don't want to also bore you, yes, pushing the pasta in. I'll see you when it's all perfectly cooked. Well, I'll probably see you before then. So, see ya. Okay, I did tell you I would see you before it is perfectly cooked. So what you're going to want to add is salt. You will have pepper. It's your Speedy Bolognese. And you're just going to want to grind it on. I don't know any other words to say. So just make sure you get perfectly grinded salt onto your Speedy Bolognese. And now, I did say we had pepper, and you're just going to want to I wanted to do it without grinding. Look, it's coming out. I just have to do this. In like cartoons, they never twist it. They always just shake it. I think that is. I haven't watched watch Mr. Bean for a bit of time. I should. Okay, now you're going to add le Maggi. That's probably not how you say it in French, but I felt like saying le. Now, I love Maggi, so I add quite a lot. And now, I need to stir. So, as you can see, right here, can you all see viewers? Yes. I have perfectly seasoned carrot and celery. Now, this is sort of just a video I wanted to make in between, because I did say I would see you again. By the way, make sure you get some tomato sauce. So I'm realising I have got a white top on. I was in my pyjamas not too long ago. And so, yeah, I'll see you when I need to put the tomatoes onto this. Okay, and pasta's ready. So just hit that. Yep, I pressed the right button. Didn't make the oven explode. So the pasta is ready. This one was 9 minutes. Really depends how long yours is. So I'm just going to have to drain this. Then after that, the veg should almost be ready. Do it by taste, not time. And I didn't really plan what I was going to say for this video here. What should I say, Dodge?
How about I'm going to drain the pasta and get back to you?
I'm going to drain the pasta and get back to you. Good save, Dodge. Okay, so the pasta is being drained, as you can see, full of Speedy Bolognese. So I'm just going to, before it dribbles all over the electrics, I am going to get the pasta and just put it in the frying pan with the Bolognese sauce. I've added about half of it in. So I'm just going to, there we go. I have added all the pasta. Now this is going back here. So I used half of the jar, as you can see right here. And I'm just going to grab another spatula that Dodd didn't have to grab for me this time and just mix it like this. And so you want the pasta to be looking orange because that's sort of the colour. So we're getting close. More over here. I did say I hate awkward silences, but when you're doing something that takes a little bit of time, it is a bit of an awkward silence because you don't know what to say. You might just laugh or something, you know? So this is looking pretty good. It's more orange than pasta would normally be because I did add tomato sauce. So you got it right here, all mixed up. And now, this is a very handy thing to do. Just have a plate and put spatulas on it. Best thing, I didn't know about it, Dodd taught me about it, and it's just so good. So I got a bowl here, and I'm just gonna do. The pasta is like, yes, I am now in a worthy bowl. Okay, little bit more. And Dodd, on camera this time, I might need you to pass me one of those things to scoop the vegetables up. The pasta's well cooked. And this is what you want. So the carrots, crunchy, and the celery, crunchy, but not too crunchy. And this, I've got so many tools right here, is what it looks like. And I'm now here with a Speedy Bolognese. Back to where I always was, it's just a quick teleportation. And taste test, if I can actually twist it. And that is amazing! Yeah, and this is a perfect video. I bet this is my own homemade recipe. But I bet there's a million other creations of Speedy Bolognese, but this one's the best. So, suggest this to everyone else. And I just want to eat this now, so goodbye!